Hello, I'm Joe Wetzel, the creator of Worldographer, and what you're seeing now is the first of our new year of map creation little mini videos. Trying to get more of these out more regularly. And what you see in front of you is a auto-generated map of a smith, a blacksmith shop, for example, where we've got a work area over here and then some living space over here. And as I said, this was auto-generated thanks to our patrons on Patreon. We added this as a new feature, and to do this, if I want to make another one, I can go to New Battlemat / Dungeon Map up here on the File menu, and then here I can pick Generate Smith. And we have two different templates, so we'll see if the next one is the other template or maybe just a different size. Nope, so this is the same template, but you can see that we did enlarge the rather the room here. We have an extra bed instead of the bookcase there, and some coloring changes, but otherwise mostly the same. So let's pull up another one, and hopefully this time we'll get a different smith. Yes, so it looks like this time we did get the other format. In this case, we've got an entranceway to kind of the shop area. We've got the work area out front. We can see actually with the placement of the well is a little bit off here, so I can go to select, and I can select that well and then drag it over here, so it gets in the right spot. But then we've got, like I said, a showroom here, if you will, with some different weapons that have been created, some spears. And then we've got a door into the main living area, and then two bedrooms here. And again, these also will change if we pull up this a few times, and we'll get different color combinations. So we've got, as I said, there's two templates here, and then some variations of each of those. These rooms are made with shapes. So if I wanted to edit them, if I want to change the floor, for example, I would go to the shapes drawer here. I would select the shape, and this here lets me select this room. And now I can change the texture to, right now it's just basic wood. I can go to wood dark, which would match the other rooms over there if I wanted to, or I could go to a wood light, which would be even lighter than the one on the other side. But you get the idea. You can do that. If you wanted to make this room larger, you can control drag the points, and that lets me control drag this, and let me snap that as well. So if I set that to snap, now it will snap to the vertices, and I can make this room larger and then go back up to the features, selecting the features that are here, and decide to pull those back, pull these windows back as well, and you can make the room larger. So you get the idea. That's how the editing works there. If you wanted to have, say, a grassy area around this map, we can go to the shapes again, create a new polygon, set it to have no border because it doesn't really matter, and then set, instead of having a color here, I would do a grass, pick that, and then I can make a grassy area around it. Now you see that's above the other polygons that are here, so I can just move this down to the bottom of the list of polygons that are being used by clicking that Z-axis to the bottom button here. And that shows you what's new. So yeah, so that's the new feature in Worldographer as of now, which is early January 2020. We'll be adding more features throughout the year, and I hope that you're able to make some great maps with the tool. I guess before I wrap up, I'll show you. So in the tool, we've got several other building types that you can generate. A couple of these are in the free version. In the pro version are most of the rest. But I can generate a simple house, for example, like this one. And there's actually several templates. There's 4 or 5 templates for that. And you saw the rest of the list. We have an inn and a tavern and a store as well. So again, I'm Joe Wetzel, this is Worldographer, and I hope you have a great new year. Hope you're able to make some really cool maps. Thanks.